So let us see now this reaction. Let us see this reaction for each and every type of the carbonyl compounds. Now the first carbonyl compound let us discuss about is that is aldehyde, that is RCHO. Now when you react R dash suppose MgX with the RCHO, what will gonna happen is that this R dash in the R dash MgX will have a negative charge. So that will function as a nucleophile. Now that nucleophile will actually attack on the aldehyde group. So when it attacks, therefore it forms this, that is R CHOMgX R dash. Now again, why it is forming OMgX? The reason behind it is that if at all O negative comes to form a pi bond, three possibilities are there. Either carbon has to break the bond with the H, or it has to break the bond with the carbons. And in this case, both of these possibilities are not possible. So therefore, O negative has got no other option than to react with the MgX. So therefore, the intermediate formed in this case is this, that is RCOMgX H R dash. And when you carry out the hydrolysis, then it will fetch you RCHOH R dash. Now, important point to observe over here is that again, in this formed product, that is RCHOH R dash, R is basically from the aldehyde and R dash is basically from the Grignard reagent. Now, important point over here is that what we have obtained in this reaction is that 2-degree alcohol. Now what I want for my study, suppose I want 1-degree alcohol through this reaction. So two possibilities are there. In the given product, what you can do is you have in the product as RCHOH R dash. To form a 1-degree alcohol, what you need to do is you need to replace one of the R group by the H atom. Now the question is that whose H can be replaced? Like it is the R group which can be replaced by the H atom, or is it the R dash group which can be replaced by the H atom? This is the question now. Now if you replace R dash group by H, that means Grignard reagent will be something like HMgX, because R dash group came from RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. So if you want to replace R dash by H, so it is basically the R group of the Grignard reagent which will be replaced by the H. So therefore the Grignard reagent will be something like HMgX. Now basically this HMgX is highly unstable, so that is why this HMgX does not exist. And therefore we have the strong reasons now to say that if you want to prepare a 1-degree alcohol by the reaction of aldehyde with the Grignard reagent, then you cannot take H atom as a R in the Grignard reagent. So therefore, in the product what you have is again we have RCHOH R dash. R dash cannot be replaced by H by any means. So therefore, it is only the R group left which can be replaced by the H. Now once you replace the R group by H, what will gonna happen is that this R group actually is of the aldehyde. So therefore, if you replace R group of the aldehyde by H, that means the aldehyde which you need to take is always the HCHO. So therefore, now you will say that if you want to prepare 1-degree alcohol by the reaction of the aldehyde with the Grignard reagent, so what you need to have is that it should be the formaldehyde, that is HCHO. It should be the formaldehyde, that is HCHO with the RMgX. So therefore, for the preparation of 1-degree alcohol, you need to have a formaldehyde, and accordingly you can have the R group in the RMgX, and that will be decided by the type of the product, means the number of carbohydrates in the product which you want. So this is how we can say that aldehydes form alcohols by the reaction of RMgX. Now the next reaction of the Grignard reagent is with the ketones. So in the ketones what we have is that RC11O R dash, and you react it with the Grignard reagent, which we can use as R, let us say double dash MgX. Now again R double dash will be acting as a nucleophile, so this will attack on the carbonyl group of the ketones. So therefore when R double dash negative will attack on this is the intermediate which will be formed, that is RCO negative MgX R dash R double dash. Now this intermediate is being formed. Now what you do is you carry out the hydrolysis. That is in the presence of H plus. So what you do is you add H2O plus H plus. So what you will get is RCOH R dash R